London wakes slowly in the early morning. A light fog moves quietly through the streets. Tall buildings stand silently beside narrow roads. Small cafes are just opening their doors. A few taxis drive through the quiet streets. Near Baker Street, there is a small office above an old bookshop. A wooden sign hangs beside the door. The sign reads, Kate Detective Agency. Inside the office, the room is warm and comfortable. A wooden desk stands near the window. Maps of London cover one wall. Shelves are filled with books, folders, and old case files. The city outside is still calm. But inside the office, someone is already awake. Kate sits quietly at her desk. She holds a warm cup of tea between her paws. Her sharp amber eyes watch the street below. Kate is a detective. She is patient. She is careful. And she notices small details that others often miss. For Kate, every street in London tells a story. Every shadow can hide a clue. And every mystery has an answer. Most mornings are quiet like this one. The city slowly wakes. People begin their busy day. But detectives know something important. Quiet mornings rarely stay quiet for long. Soon, a new mystery will arrive at the door. And when it does, Detective Kate will be ready. Inside the office, the day has already begun. Professor Hoot sits at a large table covered with papers. Maps of London are spread across the desk. The owl studies them carefully through round glasses.
According to these records, the robbery last week happened near the river.
Across the room, another desk is much less organized. Metal parts, wires, and tiny machines cover the table. That desk belongs to Racket.
Oh, this one might actually work.
The raccoon adjusts a small mechanical device. A tiny light begins to blink.
Yes, a portable clue scanner.
Kate watches her partners quietly from her desk. A good detective agency is never truly quiet. Suddenly, the quiet morning changes. A loud sound echoes through the office. Knock, knock, knock.
Whoa, someone is impatient.
That knock suggests urgency.
Kate calmly stands and walks to the door. When she opens it, a tall husky stands outside. The dog wears a blue police coat and a shiny badge.
Kate, I am glad you are here.
Detective Bolt from the London police looks worried. Bolt steps inside the office and closes the door. He takes a deep breath.
We have a strange situation at the police station.
Tell us what happened.
A very important document disappeared this morning.
The room becomes quiet.
The document was inside the evidence room. But nobody entered the room.
That sounds impossible.
Indeed. Very curious.
Bolt continues his explanation.
The door was locked all night. The windows were closed. The security cameras show nothing unusual.
Kate listens carefully. Her eyes narrow slightly as she thinks. So the document disappeared from a locked room.
Exactly.
Interesting. A short time later, the team leaves the office. The London streets are now busy. Cars move through the fog. People hurry to work. Bolt leads the group toward the police station.
The chief is very nervous about this case.
Then we should solve it quickly. The evidence room is quiet and organized. Rows of shelves hold boxes and documents. Kate slowly walks through the room. She studies every shelf and every corner.
I will check the security recordings.
I will scan the room for clues.
Minutes pass as the team searches. Hoot studies the monitor screens.
No one entered the room during the night.
Racket checks the floor with his scanner.
No fingerprints.
Then how did the document disappear?
Kate continues walking slowly around the room. Then she notices something unusual. A large cleaning robot stands beside the wall. The robot is completely full. Detective Bolt. When was this robot last emptied?
I think yesterday morning.
Racket kneels beside the machine.
Let us take a look inside.
He opens the container. Papers are packed tightly inside.
Wait, that is the missing document.
Fascinating. The paper must have fallen from the shelf.
The document is returned to the evidence shelf. Bolt sighs with relief.
Kate, you solved the mystery again.
Sometimes the smallest clue is the most important. The morning mystery is finally solved. Far away, in a dark alley of London, a television screen glows. A news report talks about the solved case. A black snake watches silently.
Detective Kate. This will be interesting.
The snake smiles slowly. His name is Shadow Fang. And this story has only just begun. Let's review today's words. Detective. Mystery. Evidence. Clue. Disappear. Locked. Robot. Investigate. Solve. Shadow. Did you remember them? Great work, detective. Did you solve the mystery before me? If you enjoy detective stories, subscribe and join our next case. See you in the next mystery.